Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinonso Tech. So today I walk you through on the new AI developed by Meta. We all know about Meta, which is owned by Mark Zuckerberg. So let us go to the browser version. So go to your browser, this is Chrome, and search for meta.ai. This is the website's link, meta.ai. So guys, this is the website, this is the AI website, and you have to log in, which I've already did. So this is the AI, and like I say, this is an alternative to ChatGPT 4, and as you can see, it's all free of charge. There's no premium plan here. So this is the menu bar, and it can also generate photos just like ChatGPT 4, and this is all for free. So let's add up a prompt here. So let's go on with this prompt. What's YouTube monetization requirements? So as you can see, the answer generated is just like Google Gemini or ChatGPT 4. So let's check the other feature, which is image. So on this section, you can also generate an image just like ChatGPT 4. So let's go on by also adding a prompt here. Let's go on with something like generate a picture of a Lamborghini. So guys, as you can see, this is very fast, and you can also download the image immediately. And there's another feature here, you can also animate this picture to look like a video. Just click on animate here. So as you can see, this is now on a video form. You can also long press it. You can also long press on it and click on download video to download it on your file. So guys, this is all about Meta AI. So on the menu section here, you can also find your history, and you can also log in with your Facebook account or email. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.